The perspectives of information flows. One perspective of information flow is the horizontal information flow, in that there's customer, then sales order department, credit department, then back to the sales order department, then warehouse department, shipping department. So first, customer places order. Then sales order department will request the credit approval from the credit department. The credit department informs the sales order department of the approval. The sales order department acknowledges the order to the customer because the credit is now approved and notifies the warehouse, the shipping and billing for accounts receivable and the sales. The warehouse now sends the completed picking ticket to the shipping, and then the shipping department informs the courier, and once the goods are shipped, the general ledger process and the sales order department the shipment is being updated. So if we look at graphically, we can see the horizontal information flow flows across departments or functional areas. Starts with the customer and then goes to the sales order department, the sales order, and then sales order department checks that with the credit department, so interface with the credit department, and then the sales order department, once received the approval, sends that to the warehouse department. Then the warehouse department would send the goods with the completed picking ticket to the shipping department for shipment. So we can see that the information flows across the functional departments in the enterprise. And finally, as a result, when the sales order is approved, the accounts are updated for the sales subledger, and when the goods are shipped, the general ledger and the accounts receivable is updated. Accounts receivable subledger is subsidiary ledger is updated, and then finally the general ledger gets updated with the information. The vertical perspective of information flows, they relate to the sales related data. The sales related data are captured in the sales order department. They flow vertically to the managers housed within that sales department in the marketing area. As the enterprise evolves to a customer based focus, the information needs for decision making become less of accounting entry, but more of the customer characteristics, needs, and preferences. So if you look at graphically, visually, we can see that the information can flow horizontally even within of functional department where information is being shared, and then the vertical flow of information is from the sales order and then go higher up for more strategic decision making to the senior level.